Okay, you guys, this video is about coming to work on time in Forex because you never know when things will work in your favor. And so here's some trades. I'm going to show you a couple of them. This is the USD Swiss, and I saw this trade off the 1 hour time frame. It's just a simple entry. I'm up 25 pips. And I see the three brother candles right here. So we'll see how this plays out. It might do a pullback and then shoot up. We'll see. They just signed a stimulus bill on yesterday, so we'll see what's going on with that. And this is a live account, so we see that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna stretch this on out, and let's take a look at a couple of more that I'm in. And some days it's gonna be like that. I mean, you're gonna come to work on time, and this is one that I missed. Boy, I missed that. God, I missed that one. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful thing. Here's a nice one right here. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that amazing trade. Anyway, got to keep it moving. So here's one that I caught off of the 30-minute time frame. Called a signal. No, I'm sorry, 15-minute signal. So this one I caught it on that retest. Went down, pulled back up, caught it, and you see I'm up 22 pips on that one. And then let's take a look at this one. This one was close to my TP, and that was that one there, the S&P 500. And I caught that one right there off of the, what I catch it off of, the 30. Let me check the 30 on that one. I think I caught it off of, yeah, the 30. Caught it on that candle right here. And so I'm going to close it out. It's stopping right here in this zone, in this range right here. So I see plenty of activity. It's starting to stop and pull back. So I'll go ahead and close that one out momentarily and see what's going on with that. Let's take a look at another one. Let's see. We did the Euro. Oh, NZD CAD. Let's take a look at that one. So this is NZD CAD. I caught this one pretty late, as you can see, but it's up 13 pips. So it's also striking in a pullback area. So I'll probably close this one out pretty soon as this video is done. See this structure. I'll teach you this when you join. Structure. So look at exactly where it's stopping at and having a hard time going further. Right there on structure. So what typically will happen is I'll catch my money, go ahead and collect my money, wait for the pullback, and then hit it and smack it again. And then let's look at, let me see, did we do the Euro USD? Let's take a look at that one. All right, same thing. I caught it off this pullback, and I'm up 37 pips. And I see also that it is slowing down in a particular zone. And so therefore, I see you right there. Boom, 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 boom. Get my 40 pips and call it a day. So I'm going to stop this video right here. This was just a quick video just to show you why it's important to get up and go to work on time. Treat this just like a job. Get to work on time and do your job. And some days you're going to have great days of trading. Some days you may have not so good. Either way it goes, your job is to show up just like you would a normal job. Because on those days that you don't get up to come to work and utilize what we teach in our group, as far as skills on how to use the system, once you're consistent, you make consistent money. Like I said, look at this. See, as we speak. I don't know what's going on. I know they signed the stimulus bill yesterday, but that's pretty nice. That is really, really nice. So I'm going ahead and end this video and close out all these trades, and I'm going back to bed. And I believe they may pull back up, and so I'd rather get my money and cash out. And if it pulls back up, fine. If it keeps on going, I'll find another entry later on. But I was just showing you guys why it's important to get up off your behind and come to work. Treat this like a job. Be consistent. Stop being all over the place. That's why you're not making money. You're all over the place with the trading systems, your strategies, and then when you're looking at the charts, you're just all over the place. You're not a consistent person, so that's why you're not seeing consistent profits. Okay? So if you join us, I'll teach you how to do this. I'll teach you what time to look and come to work. What's the best hours to come to work using our system, and you'll learn, and then you make these pips. Okay. So let me close out these trades. Like I said, this is, one of the smaller accounts that I use, for demonstration purposes, but I have to, close out some others as well. And so I'm going to collect my money and go back to sleep. Have a good one.